Randy, what's going on, man?
What's going on, man?
What you getting ready to do?
I'm gonna jump.
Jump what, off a table?
No, I'm not gonna jump off the freaking plane, dude.
Why?
Oh, shit. I wanna get crazy, man.
I guess. Did you lose a bet or something?
Actually, I did, man.
Did you really?
Yeah. Nah, just kidding, man. No,
oh, it was a drunk
fun.
promise.
No, it's all for fun. It's all for love, dude. It's for the hype, man.
Okay, cool, man. You got anybody out here with you that you know?
Oh, yeah, man. Rob, my buddy over there.
Oh, that guy?
Yeah.
Oh, my God. I think I just saw him. Oh, no.
Crazy guy.
All right, dude. Well, look, he's got you dressed up, look like a plum or a grape or something. I don't know. You got a harness and a hat. Yeah. You got no parachute, man. What's up with that? You only gonna jump once, right?
I'm gonna jump once.
Well, you don't need one then.
I don't need one.
Who's your tandem master?
Tandem master, I can't recall his name. The guy in blue right there?
Right there. He don't remember his tandem master's name? Billy Bob.
Billy Bob. Yeah, Billy Bob.
All right, man. Well, look, I'm gonna go put some gear on, and I'll see you out there playing in a few minutes. All right. Anybody on the ground?
I might see you again, man.
You might?
No,
hey, Bruce, you gonna wake up for this one? Oh, man, he's sleeping back there. All right, man, let's have a good time. Don't hurt that guy behind you. Don't forget to smile.
Yeah.
Don't stare at the ground. I will see you outside. How you doing, man? What'd you think? Go ahead and take your hat off. And get off of Bruce. He was enjoying that too much, man. Go ahead and snap it back around your chest strap. No, snap your helmet around your chest strap, but you don't have to worry about losing it. We still ain't figured it out. That's all right. Get up, man. All right, man. Would you do it again?
Oh, yeah.
If you could bring anybody else out here, who would it be?
Actually, I just bring one of my good friend, Janan.
Yeah?
She's out in California, San Jose.
What's her name?
Janan.
Your turn.
Yeah, her turn. Yeah, your turn. So, hey, looking forward to jump with you, man.
All right, good. Go here with Bruce for a second. Go over there with him.
Hey, this guy was awesome, man.
Hi, man.
Take good care of me. The next next jump, when I'm back, I'm jumping this guy again.
All right, dude. Congratulations. Thanks for coming to Skydiving Room.
Right on.